In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal using the Wix Members Area app. Creating a professional and secure client portal can really enhance the way you manage client relationships. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To get started, head over to your Wix account by navigating to your Wix dashboard. If you're not yet logged in, you'll need to do so. Once you're in your dashboard, make sure you're on the home page. This is essentially your command center where you can access all your site's tools and settings. Next, let's locate the App Market. On your toolbar to the left, you'll notice an icon labeled App Market. Click on it. This market is like a toolbox where you can find various apps to enhance your website. Whether you need a booking system, an online store, or in this case, a member area, you'll find an app for it here. Now that you're in the App Market, move to the search bar at the top. Here, type Wix Members Area. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear below the search bar. You might see several options, but the one we are looking for is Wix Members, Manage Accounts, and Access Content. Click on it once it appears in your results. Once you've selected the correct app, you'll be directed to its main page. Here, you can read more about its features, such as the ability to manage member accounts and the type of content members can access. This is particularly useful if you want to create exclusive areas of your website for different client tiers, such as VIP content or special offers. If this seems to suit your needs, the next step is straightforward. You'll see a button labeled Add to Site. Go ahead and click on it. This step integrates the members area directly into your website, offering the features you need to manage your clients effectively. After adding the app, it's worth taking some time to explore its settings to customize the members area to fit your exact requirements. This includes setting up member sign-up pages, managing member permissions, and personalizing the design to match your existing website style. The app makes it easy by guiding you through each step. So follow the prompts as you go along. There you have it, your very own client portal using the Wix Members Area app. It's a simple and effective way to ensure your clients have an exclusive space to access content, making them feel valued and enhancing your professional relationship. With everything set up, you can now seamlessly manage this aspect of your site and focus more on what matters most: building bridges with your clients. Happy